Hey guys, welcome to Trevor's Woodshop. A couple years ago I had made myself a trailer hitch cover for my 2018 Silverado, and with our Canadian winters and spring, it's kind of beaten it up a little bit. I mean, not to mention I didn't use the proper stuff at the right time. So today we're going to be redoing this whole setup and hopefully building one that's going to last a little while using some products from Starbond. Hang out with me for a little bit, see how it turns out. Now, instead of painting inside of all of these grooves to give me that popped out look, I'm going to go with Starbond's medium thick black. They were also nice enough to send me some brown medium, some gap filler thick, their multi-purpose medium, and some of their fast drying accelerator. Let's get some of this black in there and see what this is going to look like. Alright guys, well that pretty much wraps up this project. Here's the old versus the new. Here's the old one. And the new finished one. This one here I ended up using craft paints and a little bit of clear lacquer to kind of finish it off, and it lasted for a couple years, but with our winters and stuff here in Canada, it just kind of took its toll like a little bit too fast. So what I ended up doing with this one was using Starbond's medium thick black, and I kind of used it as a inlay, so to speak, and I kept doing it layer for layer until I got the buildup that I wanted. And then I sanded it off nice and smooth and put my clear coat and stuff to it, and wow, did it ever turn out amazing. If you'd like to get some of this Starbond stuff for yourself, should be a link in the description below. Click on that, take you right to their website. You can have a peek around, see what you think. I do highly recommend it. It does work amazing. Yeah, so that pretty much wraps up this video. If you would like to see more, please subscribe, hit that bell, and don't forget to give me that big old thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Later.